Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best fish finder GPS combos that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 4 is the Garmin Striker 4 with transducer. This compact 3.5-inch fish finder is perfect for anglers who need something portable but don't want to sacrifice functionality. It features clear view scanning sonar, which provides near photographic images of what's beneath your boat. The Chirp sonar technology delivers excellent target separation, making it easier to spot fish and structures. The design is simple, yet effective. Its keyed interface with dedicated buttons makes navigation intuitive, while the IPX7 water rating ensures durability in wet conditions. At just 8 ounces, it's incredibly lightweight, which makes it ideal for kayaks and smaller boats. However, its smaller display size might be a drawback for those who prefer a larger screen for better visibility. Performance-wise, the Striker 4 excels, with a maximum depth of 1,600 feet in freshwater. It's capable of handling most fishing environments. The built-in GPS lets you mark waypoints, create routes, and even view your boat's speed. It also includes a flasher mode, which is great for ice fishing or vertical jigging. While it lacks some advanced features like Wi-Fi connectivity, it's an excellent value for its price. Pros include its portability, GPS functionality, and sonar quality. Cons include the small screen size and lack of advanced connectivity options. At number 3, we have the budget-friendly Humminbird Helix 5 Chirp GPS G3 fish finder. This device offers exceptional value for its price, making it a popular choice among anglers. It features dual-spectrum Chirp sonar, which provides highly detailed fish arches and a clear view of the underwater structure. The internal GPS and Humminbird base map let you navigate with confidence, offering charts of over 10,000 lakes along with coastal coverage. The design includes a 5-inch color TFT display that's easy to read in various lighting conditions. The device feels sturdy and well-built, with a user-friendly interface operated through soft key controls. It also includes Auto Chart Live, which allows you to create real-time maps of your favorite fishing spots, a feature usually found in higher-end models. However, it lacks Wi-Fi connectivity, which means no app integration for waypoint sharing. In terms of performance, the Helix 5 is reliable and accurate, with a maximum depth capability of 1,200 feet. It's perfect for freshwater anglers who want a solid mix of functionality and affordability. While it doesn't offer some of the advanced features seen in pricier models, it's hard to beat at this price point. Pros include its affordability, excellent sonar performance, and mapping capabilities. Cons include the lack of Wi-Fi and a slightly bulkier design. Our runner-up is the Garmin Striker 5 CV with transducer. This 5-inch GPS fish finder offers a fantastic balance between price and performance. It features Chirp traditional sonar and Clearview scanning sonar, which deliver highly detailed images of fish and structures. The built-in Quick Draw Contours mapping software allows you to create personalized maps with 1-foot contours, covering up to 2 million acres. The design is rugged and durable, perfect for withstanding harsh fishing environments. The WVGA color display is bright and sunlight readable, ensuring excellent visibility. The intuitive button-operated interface makes it easy to navigate through its features. It also includes a tilt swivel mount for versatile installation options. Performance-wise, the Striker 5 CV stands out with its maximum depth of 2,300 feet, making it suitable for deep-sea fishing. The built-in GPS is another highlight, enabling waypoint marking and route creation. While it lacks Wi-Fi connectivity, its mapping and sonar capabilities more than make up for it. Pros include its advanced sonar and mapping features, rugged design, and excellent depth capability. Cons include the absence of Wi-Fi and a slightly higher price compared to other 5-inch models. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Garmin Striker Vivid 7 CV. This premium fish finder offers a 7-inch vivid color display, making it the largest and most detailed screen in our lineup. It features Garmin's Chirp sonar and Clearview scanning sonar, along with new vivid sonar color palettes that make it easier to distinguish fish and structures underneath. The design is sleek and well-built, with Wi-Fi connectivity for app integration via the Active Captain app. This allows you to transfer waypoints, receive notifications, and access the Quick Draw community. The device also comes with a GT20 transducer, delivering exceptional sonar performance. The built-in GPS enables waypoint marking, route creation, and speed tracking, adding to its versatility. In terms of performance, the Striker Vivid 7CV is a powerhouse. With a maximum depth of 2,300 feet and excellent target separation, it's ideal for both freshwater and saltwater anglers. The Quick Draw Contours mapping feature is also included, letting you create personalized maps in real time. While it's the most expensive option on this list, its advanced features and superior display make it well worth the investment. Pros include the large vivid display, Wi-Fi connectivity, and outstanding sonar performance. Cons include its higher price and larger footprint, which might not be suitable for smaller boats. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.